For this how-to you need wooden kebab skewers, some string, snips, sticky tape, some card and a few foam darts to make a simple foam dart crossbow. I'll show you how to make a small target and some things I learned along the way. Clear a space to work in and take out 6 30cm wooden kebab skewers. Use the snips to cut the pointed end off the skewers, making them all around the same length. Take 4 of the skewers together and use the sticky tape to tape them together at each end. Take the other 2 skewers and leave around 1 or 2 centimetres from the end and wrap some sticky tape around. Also add some in the middle. Take the group of 4 skewers and make a gap in the middle to push the other set of skewers through and push it to one end to make a cross shape. You'll need to secure the crossbow shape. I used some sticky tape again and wrapped around in different directions, pinching it tight until it felt secure and unlikely to slip or come apart. Once it feels secure, you can add the string. The string I used had some elasticity, but you can use normal string just as well. Use that gap left at the ends of the bow and slide the string between the skewers and tie a double knot. You could add tape here too if you think it's too loose, but I didn't think it needed it on this one. Take the string across the bow and tie the other side in the same way. This one is a little loose and could be tighter, but it still worked fine. I should have done this part before adding the string. It's part of securing the bow to avoid movement in the wrong way. Wrap some sticky tape around here as tightly as you can and it should add some more strength to the crossbow. Last part of the crossbow is to add a guide. Take a piece of card and cut it to size for the foam dart, or bolt if you want to use the right name. The guide should be a bit wider than the bolt and not as long, so the bolt moves freely through the guide. Hold the shape of the guide with some sticky tape and try to make it a round shape with your finger. Position the guide just below the cross point and make sure there is enough give in the string to pull it behind the guide and a little bit more when firing it, like so. Now the crossbow works. Keep watching to see how to make a quick target and some things I learned about making these to help you if you want to make this too. Just a basic target out of some spare card and use the remaining box to try and neatly catch my shots. It probably took as long to make the target as it did to make the crossbow. I think I need some more practice to get the aim right. It fires well, but 1 out of 4 is not really great. These are the other attempts I made. First go I taped the string and the guide was a little long and narrow for the foam dart. The second was much better and more durable, and third was probably not quite as good as the second attempt. The string could have been a little tighter and the crossbow a little bit stronger. I tried to use as many things around the house as possible, hoping I could cut the skewers with scissors instead of snips, but scissors left some quite rough edges and were much harder to cut with. Here are some bloopers from making it. We tried at first to make it a kind of funny intro, but it was harder than we thought, so just laid everything out in the end.
Do you need paint?
I hope you enjoyed our first how-to video. Let me know if you think of improvements or if you would want to see us attempt something else. Remember to subscribe and like the video, and we hope to upload a new how-to every week or two.